Oh. What up, it's your boy Mikey Will here. We are out in the Superstorm on the E-Quad here. Oh my goodness. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh my goodness. I've been like sick for a little bit. It's been a while. I just swapped motors on this thing because all since it blew. Bro, this thing is going wherever it wants. Oh my goodness. This thing is so much fun, dude. Guys, I'm freezing. The snow hurts. It's actually snowing a little harder than I thought. Like, look at that. That's the street. Might have to go back. Can't do it. No. This thing needs reverse. I'm free. My face. Oh man. Oh no. It's so cold, bro. That was awesome. Whoa, these guys are on a speeder. Let's go. That's so sick. snowbanks. Part of the game. This thing is nuts, man. Like, watch this. I'm just gonna stop. Nothing. Electric stuff, man. There's like a little e-bike band going on too. Not band, but alright. And break. Whoa. Thought I might be over there for a second there. Yo, this is so nuts. No. Yo, I want to talk more, but like, I can't like feel my face and I got a ski mask on. Make sure you stay tuned. We got more content coming soon. Oh yeah.